What if your home didn't whisper but shouted your personality? Have you ever looked around your space and thought, this needs more me? If you believe more is more, and you're ready to break every rule in the book, then welcome to the world of maximalist home decor. Bold colors, layered textures, eclectic collections, and unapologetic joy. That's what this style is all about. In today's video, we're exploring maximalist home decor ideas that will help you embrace your inner creative, fill your space with soul, and turn every corner into a curated celebration of self-expression.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What color palettes define a maximalist space? There are no rules, but there's definitely strategy when it comes to maximalist color. Start with a bold base. Think jewel tones like emerald, ruby, sapphire, or peacock blue. Layer in contrasting colors through furniture, art, textiles, or paint for vibrancy and depth. Use dark tones to ground the space and neon or pastel pops to bring unexpected whimsy. What color combo screams you? Comment below with your dream maximalist palette. How do you mix patterns and textures without overwhelming the room? Pattern play is key to maximalism, but it takes a little confidence and a lot of creativity. Combine florals, stripes, geometrics, and animal prints, but keep one or two in a consistent color family. Balance bold patterns with grounding solids or classic motifs like checks, herringbone, or toile. Layer textures like velvet, silk, rattan, metal, and leather to add tactile interest and visual movement. For more pattern and texture layering tips, check the playlist in the description. What kind of art and wall decor works best in a maximalist interior? In maximalism, your walls are your gallery, and the more expressive, the better. Create salon-style gallery walls with mismatched frames, varying sizes, and a mix of photography, paintings, and prints. Incorporate mirrors, tapestries, masks, neon signs, and even sculptural elements for drama. Mix high and low, fine art, vintage posters, personal photography, or flea market finds all have a place. Want more gallery wall inspiration? Check out the related videos in the description. What are some signature accessories that scream maximalist? Accessories are the finishing touch that makes maximalist spaces shine. Layer throws and pillows in rich fabrics, mix and match table lamps, quirky sculptures, oversized planters, and stacks of art books. Use trays, candles, and small decorative objects to layer on surfaces. More is more when done intentionally. Bold rugs, fringed accents, metallics, and jewel-toned glass bring instant visual texture. See all accessory options from today's look linked in the description. How do you create a cohesive look with so many different elements? The magic of maximalism is in storytelling. It's not about matching, it's about belonging together. Establish a theme, vibe, or recurring motif, like a color, shape, or cultural influence, to create unity. Repeat key colors or materials across the room to anchor the space amidst the visual variety. Keep balance by giving your eyes places to rest. Empty wall space, solid color rugs, or monochrome art moments. Everything shown in this setup is linked in the description to help you build your own visual rhythm. How can you apply maximalism in small spaces without making them feel cramped? Maximalism isn't limited to large homes. You can go bold in a small space with smart design. Use vertical space with wall-to-wall bookshelves, tall gallery walls, or ceiling-mounted decor. Stick to a tight color palette, and go big with pattern or artwork to make the space feel curated, not chaotic. Mirrors and good lighting will help open up the space visually, while still letting your personality shine. Looking to max out your small space? Check the playlist in the description for tiny space maximalism tips. How can you decorate with collections in a maximalist way? Collections are the heart of maximalism. They showcase your interests, memories, and obsessions. Group items by theme, color, or shape, like vintage cameras, vases, globes, or books. Use shelves, curio cabinets, or open consoles to give your collections a defined home and avoid clutter. Rotate displays seasonally, or for special occasions to keep the room feeling fresh and dynamic. Everything featured in today's collection wall is linked below, so you can start styling your own. How do you maintain and clean a maximalist home? With more decor comes more responsibility, but it's manageable with good organization. Declutter often. Yes, even maximalists edit. Remove things that no longer bring joy or cohesion. Use storage bins, baskets, and stylish boxes to hide away less attractive necessities. Schedule regular dusting and vacuuming to keep your layers of decor fresh and vibrant. All the products used to keep this maximalist home functional are linked in the description. What is maximalist home decor, and how does it differ from clutter? Maximalism is about intentional abundance, not random accumulation. It celebrates variety, boldness, and storytelling through decor, color, pattern, and texture. It involves layering, collecting, and showcasing what you love in an artful, meaningful way. True maximalist design has structure and purpose. It's curated chaos, not a mess. If you're ready to ditch minimalism and go bold, like this video, and share it with your color-loving crew. What types of furniture best support a maximalist style? Furniture in a maximalist space should be expressive, character-rich, and functional. Mixed styles, like a velvet Art Deco sofa with a rustic wood coffee table or a lucite chair beside a vintage desk. Don't shy away from color or curves. Statement chairs, bold upholstery, and sculptural pieces are welcome. Use built-ins, étagères, or sideboards to display your collections and maintain some visual organization. Subscribe for weekly furniture guides that elevate your maximalist dream space. So if you've been wondering how to make your home feel bold, personal, and completely unforgettable, maximalist home decor is your answer. It's not about perfection. It's about passion. It's about surrounding yourself with things you love and creating a space that reflects your identity in full color. When done with intention, maximalism becomes more than a style. It becomes a celebration of life, creativity, and fearless self-expression.